Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which provides you with this GUI kind of interface where you can run and automate all the npm scripts that you have declared or tasks inside your projects. So this is the extension task runner. If you go to the extensions tab, just write this name. It's fairly new extension. So it's got almost 14,000 installs. So click on the install button to activate this. So once you activate this, you will see this option appearing at the sidebar section. If you see, so task runner. So if you see that, activate this. So now it will show you all the extensions, all the npm scripts that you already have inside your package.json file. So we have these two scripts here, which is the start script, the test script. So if you go to this, we also have the npm install script, which installed all the npm modules. So you can click this install script to install all the node.js modules, and then you can run this project by clicking this run task button. So it will start your application very easily. So it makes it very much easy. It actually add this option right in the sidebar section. So at any time in the program, if you want to run this, you go to this location, simply it adds this run button. You click the run button, it will start this script automatically. So don't need to manually go to the command line, run your project. So it will save you a lot of time. So simply install this extension, activate this and start using it. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.